wintered all night long, and this is what we got. Just a little bit of weather. People have been going crazy. They don't know how to drive in the snow. I'm driving this two-wheel drive Jeep, and I'm fine. I gotta go shovel some snow, go to work. Alright, so we had a power outage last night. One of my vending machines has an error on it, so we're going to the courthouse to fix that. Hopefully we can get it working again. Here's the vending machine. Got my little helper. We have out of service. Dang it. We're looking for the right key, 1452. Got it. You wanna hit that power button for me? Right there. We'll give it a second. Close it. Alright, a quick reset. We got it working again. Don't know what was wrong with it, but it's working now. We got an Oreos for class, ballet class, and we've got some snacks that are gonna expire soon in here. So I'm gonna have to get those out, but this is what we're working with. It's late. I had some dinner. We ended up having spaghetti. I think it's bedtime now. I'm gonna go edit this, get it uploaded, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.